How to make your money grow after retirement, 10 best investments. Retirement isn't the end of growing your wealth, it's a new beginning. With regular income from work gone, making smart investment choices becomes essential to keep your savings safe and growing. Whether you're cautious or confident, there are strategies to help your money last and even grow. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 10 of the best investment options for retirees. 1. Dividend-paying stocks. These stocks offer two benefits: steady income through dividends and potential price growth. Look for companies that have paid and increased dividends for many years, like those in utilities or consumer goods. Tip: focus on dividend aristocrats, companies with 25+ years of rising dividends. 2. Municipal bonds, issued by local governments. These bonds offer steady, low-risk income and are often tax-free. They're ideal for retirees in higher tax brackets. 3. REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs let you invest in real estate without owning property. They pay high dividends, as they must give 90% of their income to investors. Great for income and diversification. 4. Annuities. Annuities can provide guaranteed monthly income for life. You can start payments immediately or defer them. Some come with inflation protection. 5. Certificates of deposit, CDs. CDs offer fixed interest over a set period. They're very safe. A CD ladder, with different maturity dates, can help you earn more while staying flexible. 6. Tips. Treasury inflation-protected securities. These government bonds increase in value with inflation, helping you maintain purchasing power. They're low risk and pay interest twice a year. 7. Balanced mutual funds. These funds mix stocks and bonds for a good balance of growth and safety. They're managed by professionals and adjust automatically, so you don't have to. 8. High-yield savings accounts. Safe and accessible, these accounts offer better interest than regular savings. Perfect for emergency funds or short-term needs. 9. Peer-to-peer lending. You lend directly to borrowers through online platforms and earn interest. While riskier, spreading your investment across many loans can help reduce that risk. 10. Gold IRA. This special retirement account lets you hold gold, protecting against inflation and market drops. It adds diversification and long-term stability. Choosing what's right for you, consider these factors when building your retirement plan. Risk tolerance, low, CDs, bonds, savings. Moderate, REITs, dividend stocks. High, stocks, gold, peer-to-peer lending. Income needs, now, REITs, annuities. Later, mutual funds, Gold IRA. Time horizon, short-term, CDs, municipal bonds. Long-term, stocks, real estate. Inflation protection, tips, Gold IRA, dividend stocks. Growing your money after retirement isn't about taking big risks, it's about making smart, steady choices. Diversify across safe, income-generating, and inflation-resistant options to protect and grow your nest egg. Let your retirement be a time of security and financial peace. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.